Hi, this is Joe Rivera with Pixelweb. Today I'm going to briefly go over Agent IDX, which is an exclusive real estate WordPress theme that I designed. By exclusive, I mean it is not for sale as you would typically buy a WordPress theme. This is specifically just for my clients that I set up. My setup fees are separate and apart from this process, and you can find that information on my website. So let's just get started. What is Agent IDX? As I mentioned, it's a real estate WordPress theme. I built it to work with IDX Broker Platinum, which is the premier IDX solution for real estate agents and brokers. They serve over 560 different MLSs in their portfolio. So I built it up for that. As you can see, you have your basic components of a website, but very important. You have your search field here um, that buyers can search for properties. You have your slider here that you would put up your featured posts or pages or pictures of different listings that you might have, and this is the slider that's there. In this section, you have a map search area that I have what's called pin clustering that shows how many different properties are in different areas. You have a search form for sellers who want to get in touch with you about selling their property, listing their property. Here, this is a pretty cool feature. You have on this image area, you can put different properties that you have personally listed here. And when a person clicks on one of the properties, you can see that you have a light box pop up that shows information about the the property. The photos come forward, and you can make that into a slider, things of that nature. So that's pretty cool. Then you have a call to action area. I chose a quote from Dale Carnegie. Then if you want to feature certain communities, you can have that featured here, um, which is pretty cool. And then you have a latest from the blog section, your agent bio section, and of course your footer area, which is at the bottom of your website. So that's Agent IDX. It's a fully responsive theme. Responsive meaning that it doesn't matter if a person's coming from your smartphone, from a tablet, or from a laptop or desktop. The page adapts. It responds to the device. So it reflows or readjusts to the screen size, which is something that Google actually prefers websites to be built as responsive. So how do you get started? Aside from my setup fee, um, you need a domain name and you need a hosting account. So you would first go to my reseller account for domains and for hosting. That would be this host.pixelweb.com. There you would be able to search for a domain name, and if it's available, you click search. If it's available, you can purchase it for $9.99 as of this recording. Once you purchase a domain name, you would then go to the web hosting section because you need to host your account. And I recommend going to the hosting plans section. And there you have three different options that you can choose. Um, you have the economy, deluxe, and the ultimate. I recommend the deluxe or the ultimate. Reason is that if you are going to have a lot of photos or if you're going to upload videos, things of that nature, the economy limits you to only 100 gigabytes of space. And the question is, how many gigabytes of space do you have specifically for your photos on your home computer? It's probably more than 100 gigabytes or getting close to it. So you never want to breach this amount. So that's why I recommend the unlimited, which is offered from Deluxe and Ultimate. You get unlimited space and bandwidth. So those are neat features. You'll never have to worry about going over your allotted space. Difference between Ultimate and Deluxe is this section here. You have unlimited MySQL databases. That's not really important for too many people. But if you want to have this free premium DNS and SSL certificate with a fixed IP, there are some additional benefits there. You can click on it. You can see here your SSL certificate keeps transactions within your website secure. Take advantage of up to 256 bit encryption and 99% browser recognition. and with your Ultimate account, it is included. So again, you need to purchase your domain name and a hosting account before moving forward. If you already have a domain name or a hosting account, I ask that you transfer it here. And the reason is it's just easier to have everything under one roof, right? It's easier to have everything together. So you could just click here, transfer domains, and it'll take you to the transfer page for that. And then you just put in the domain name here that you're going to transfer. And then obviously you would do the hosting account. So after you have your domain name and your hosting, the next step is to sign up for IDX Broker Platinum. IDX Broker Platinum is the best IDX solution for real estate agents and brokers. Again, they cover over 560 different MLSs. It is, it's just awesome. So it's important though that you use my developer link. I am an approved developer partner with IDX Broker. I'm an independent freelancer, so I don't work for them, but I'm an approved developer of theirs. The benefit to you is when you sign up with me, you do not have to pay the standard $99.99 setup fee that you would have to pay if you went directly through IDX Broker to sign up with them. What happens there is I become your developer and your direct point of contact for everything related to IDX Broker. You would fill in the form here with all your basic information. You would select your MLS over here. And as you can see, they have a lot of MLSs. They have over 560, something like that, MLSs. And then you would, if you have any special instructions, you would do here. If you're part of more than one MLS, you could always add an MLS by clicking here and just add the MLS to your account. And then you would click the I agree to IDX LLC's terms of service, and you could click continue. So from there, you would receive some forms that need to be filled out by your broker and by the MLS for approval, and then to be resent to IDX Broker. The information will be sent to you from IDX Broker directly with detailed instructions to follow. Again, the benefit of working with me is I will set up your WordPress-based site. I include a premium plugin for form building, meaning that you can build as many different types of forms easily without knowing any type of code whatsoever. I include a couple of security plugins. One of them is a premium plugin that is very powerful and would typically have an ongoing yearly fee for that service, but I have a developer's license with them, so you being my client, you get to benefit from that. And same thing with the form plugin as well. And I have a bunch of other premium plugins that the value is up there. If you try to purchase all of these on their own, you're going to spend a lot of money, and then obviously you have to pay every single year to maintain those plugins if you want to get updates. So again, this is Agent IDX. This is where you go to get domain name and hosting, and that's IDX Broker Platinum. Sign up to my link and you get to save $99.99 of the setup fee with IDX Broker, and you get a dedicated developer who is going to work directly with you and me. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me, and I will provide links to the necessary links in the bottom of this video at the end. Thank you very much, and take care.